AerioQ Portable AC is marketed as a compact cooling device that promises to keep you cool while using far less energy than a traditional air conditioner. The ads often make it look like it can cool an entire room, but the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, portable personal air coolers are a legitimate product category and can provide localized cooling when used in the right environment. What it does well: personal cooling. It can provide a cooling breeze to the person sitting nearby, making it suitable for a desk, bedside table, or small workspace. Portable design. Its compact size makes it easy to move from room to room or take with you when needed, where the height falls apart. It's not a true air conditioner. Most products like this are evaporative air coolers rather than compressor-based air conditioners. It won't cool an entire room. The cooling effect is generally limited to the space directly around the device. Performance depends on humidity. Evaporative coolers tend to work better in dry climates and are less effective in humid conditions. So, should you buy the AerioQ Portable AC? Short answer: maybe, if you understand what it is. If you're looking for a personal cooling device for your desk or bedside, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting it to replace a traditional air conditioner, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.